Welcome to our house tour for 2019. This is our backyard where we are building a fence around the entire yard because we have small children. It's about halfway done, and here you can see the side of our house where we spend most of our time. We have a lot of child's play toys. Most of them we got for free. We got this from my mom for Christmas last year or 2 years ago. This from a lady at church, the swing. Daddy built the sandbox. The slide we got from Walmart. The trampoline and the house we actually got for free from a neighbor down the street. We even got this for free from another lady from our church, Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. We have the Becky Boo doing the chalk. So over there is the front of our house, which you've seen in previous videos. But now I'm going to give you our house tour for 2019. I would call myself a minimalist, but probably I own a lot of stuff compared to some people. So right when you come in, you have our desk over here. This is where I do all of my editing, knit, anything I need to do. This is my area basically. So I have all of my books. I'm filming a video right now. All of my yarn, knitting things, my computer desk. And then we have a couch right here, followed by our homeschool area. We're doing the Charlotte Mason method and we're in preschool right now. So here are our living books and other things. Next we have our dining room, and Ruben made, are these strawberry muffins? Ruben made strawberry muffins in the play kitchen.
Mine.
Sure, it's yours. We are just switching back from a dairy gluten-free diet to a regular diet. So I am experimenting with different kinds of cookbooks here. Aloe plant. Aloe cleans the air. And here we just have storage. Here's some more homeschooling stuff. And all of our plates and glasses, and the food, and supplements. Alright, Ruben, stay out. We're not doing beads right now, we'll do it later. Then we have our kitchen, which has our fridge, dishes that need to be done, some of our kitchen appliances, clean dishes that need to be put away, Ruben's shark. Our fish tank here. My husband loves fish, and here we just have some of the kids' toys and puzzles. Here we have our entryway where we put our kid shoes, and we also have the train tracks here, the horse, my yoga equipment. I'm about to go on a trip, which I'll vlog 48 hours away. Then I have all of our coats and things here. This is another part of our entryway. It houses the adult shoes and like our melon stuff and all of our winter things. So this is my husband's bin, the kid bin of all the kid coats and socks and hats. And this is mine. I have a lot of coat and socks and hats. And we do have 2 CD players. This one actually plays CDs. That one, the CD player is broken, so we use that one for Bluetooth and MP3s. So that's our house. The main living room. I'm gonna check on the kids before I take you back. They're doing good. All right, so you go back here. In this room, we have the bathroom. It looks like this. It is the Il Bagno. We have our washer and dryer, you know, bathroom things, a chair because we have small children, and the shower. We put our living room right now in the spare room just because it makes more sense. So we have the couch and the chair and our entertainment system. My husband's desk back there, and then his tools over here. I really like this, but this will be my daughter's room when she gets too old to share with her brother. We need to redo the carpet before that happens. This used to have that blue carpet in there, and my husband redid the floor, and it's so much better. Let me check on the kids again before I show you Ruben's bedroom. They're good. All right. This closet is our only storage closet, and it houses the vacuum, all of our games, our safe, and these are propane things that we use for our stove to light the fire. We have a wood stove. And then we have my son's room and my daughter. They share right now. There's where my son sleeps, and we are transitioning my daughter here, but she's not here yet because she still sleeps with us. My son's clothes are in here. Here's some toys, cloth diapers. That was very loud. This is not supposed to be in here. This is part of our fence. It's supposed to go down here. Whew. Anyway, this is what we're using for a fridge for the play kitchen. Then I have my daughter's clothes down here. This is just more storage stuff. And in here we usually store the ball pit, but right now it just has the tent, the pop-up tents, and the riding bike. This is the ball pit, and I get tired of it, so I put it up there. I'm gonna check on the kids again before I show you the upstairs. Oops. Hey guys, don't get in there. Put the cover back on and then go wash your hands right now.
I did take the cover off.
We don't take this cover off. Go wash your hands, Becky. You too. You know not to mess with this. This is our outside fire pit that no one's supposed to get into. You okay, Becky? There you go. Go wash. Nope. Help your sister wash her hands. Go help your sister. All right. Okay, okay. I'm going to help wash your hands. There you go. All good. Don't play in that again, okay? Alright, I'm going to quickly show you upstairs and then the house tour is over. There's some stuff I need to donate. So up the stairs we have my husband's and I's room. It's a loft. I like our room a lot. Here it is. So right here we have my husband's electronics, and this is his closet. We have a lot of stuff. And then over here we have my husband's side of the bed and my side of the bed. We have Becky's crib. And then we have all of our books. So I'm starting to collect Charlotte Mason books for a different year. So I'm saving them here and organizing them by year. And these are all of my books, my favorites over here. And here's my side of the bed. And this is where Becky or Ruben sleeps if they happen to wake up. Or they sleep in bed with us. Here's my husband's engineering books. And another desk. He's got 2 computers. And here's my closet over here, where I have all of my things laid out. Underwear, socks, pajamas, miscellaneous. These are my summer pants that I'm not using right now. And my closet. I have a lot of clothes. I have tried to minimize it several times, and I have a lot of clothes, and that's okay. I've got a really big closet too. I love it. Then we have our steamer here. Since we hand dry our clothes, we need to steam them. Sometimes they get wrinkles in them. And the last thing we have is the upstairs bathroom, which desperately needs painting, but it's just a second bathroom. And I love the view up here of the living room and of how open it is. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this house tour. Crazy, crazy house tour. I need to turn the light off. Interrupted by dirty kids disobeying. And I will see you next year, and you can see how our house transforms from year to year. I've been doing these house tours since 2012. I started out blogging them for the first 3 or 4 years. And then I started videotaping them. So I think I have 4 years videotaped. Are you stuck? Hop on down.
Mommy, what's a foggy fog? Mommy, mommy.
Becky, you don't stand there. You're too little, okay?
Look.